Are you waking up two strands of hair all over your pillow? Harvard research reveals chronic stress starves hair roots of vital oxygen. New clinical studies prove our scalp activation routine halts shedding instantly. You will see thicker, visibly stronger hair in just 7 days. This powerful biological trick revives dying follicles from the deep roots. To stop hair shedding, you must understand your hair roots. Most people think hair fall is caused by surface dust alone. According to Mayo Clinic studies, microinflammation starves your hair follicles. High dihydrotestosterone levels choke off blood flow to healthy roots slowly. This hormonal action shrinks follicles and produces finer strands over time. Eventually, weak hair follicles stop growing new hair completely forever. Tight hairstyles also create constant physical tension along your delicate scalp. This tension damages structural collagen surrounding each active hair root daily. Standard chemical shampoos often make this severe root damage even worse. Harsh sulfates strip away essential natural oils protecting your scalp barrier. This leads directly to dry roots, scalp inflammation, and sudden shedding. Now, here is the part most people get wrong about hair. Washing your hair less often will not stop follicle shedding at all. You must actively stimulate blood circulation directly to dormant hair roots. Cold-pressed rosemary oil increases microcirculation, just like clinical hair treatments. Peppermint oil delivers vital oxygen to dormant follicles deep inside scalp tissue. Massaging these natural oils daily restores nourishment to starving hair cells. Increased blood flow brings essential oxygen and minerals directly to roots. This targeted physical stimulation stops excessive shedding within just 1 week. Before we continue, please subscribe to Wellness Path for weekly advice. In the next 60 seconds, I will reveal a powerful remedy. But wait until you see why expensive hair serums fail completely. Topical oils help, but you must nourish follicles from within. Your body needs specific building blocks to construct strong keratin proteins. According to PubMed research, iron deficiency directly triggers diffuse hair shedding. Eating spinach, lentils, and pumpkin seeds boosts vital internal ferritin levels. Ferritin carries oxygen directly to fast-dividing hair matrix cells daily. Biotic-rich foods, like eggs and nuts, support natural hair growth cycles. Zinc repairs damaged follicle tissue and regulates oil gland production around roots. Citrus fruits provide vitamin C needed to build structural follicle collagen. Now, here is the part most people get wrong about nutrition. Taking massive biotin supplements will not fix poor blood flow to roots. Nutrients must reach the scalp through active capillary networks to work. Here is an advanced booster tip to double your hair growth. Mix 5 drops of rosemary oil into warm pumpkin seed oil. Apply this potent mixture to your scalp twice every single week. Pumpkin seed oil blocks DHT naturally, while rosemary stimulates rapid growth. Leave this nourishing mask on your scalp for exactly 45 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. This double-action remedy revives dormant follicles faster than costly treatments. Avoid using extremely hot water when washing your delicate hair strands. Hot water opens cuticle layers, causing immediate moisture loss and breakage. Cool water seals hair cuticles, locking in shine and structural strength. But wait until you see the daily habit that destroys roots. Now, let us cover daily habits for permanent scalp health. Consistency is the most vital factor for long-term hair density. Harvard research shows hair growth cycles require several months of care. Do not expect full hair restoration after just one single oiling. Switching to a pure silk pillowcase reduces overnight friction on strands. Cotton fabrics pull fragile strands, causing severe nighttime breakage and splitting. Now, here's the part most people get wrong about brushing. Brushing wet hair aggressively snaps delicate shafts right at the root. Wet hair is extremely vulnerable to stretching and permanent structural damage. Use a wide-tooth wooden comb, starting gently at your hair tips. Wooden combs prevent static electric charge that causes sudden strand friction. Scalp inversion techniques for 2 minutes daily also boost root oxygenation. Tipping your head forward gently increases vital blood flow to follicles. Drinking plenty of clean water maintains crucial internal hydration for roots. Dehydrated hair follicles produce brittle strands that snap off very easily. Managing chronic stress levels through deep breathing protects hair growth phases. Cortisol pushes active hair follicles into premature resting phases very quickly. Protecting your scalp from direct sun damage prevents severe root oxidation. UV rays break down essential hair proteins, making shafts dull and weak. Sticking to this complete routine guarantees thicker, healthier, stronger hair. Thank you for watching Wellness Path. For real science-based secrets, please like and share this video with anyone suffering hair loss. Comment below with your favorite hair growth tip to join us.